So Scratch Lab recently got an update, and this time they introduced something much cooler than ever before, and that is video sprites. Now it does not allow you to upload videos as sprites as you might expect it to, but it still has some really good functionality. Like it basically allows you to fill the sprite areas with your camera, and you can use it to do weird stuff like this. Even though it looks weird, I think it can be used to create amazing projects if done properly. Let's check it out. Okay, so we have video sprites here. Try it out. Okay, so the cat, let's see the blocks. The first one is fill sprite with camera. Okay, let me increase the size. Here we go. I can see myself. Hello guys. Change camera zoom by 25. Okay. Let me try and become Scratch Cat. Wait. Okay, so we have this block, we have set camera zoom to 100. Let me set it to 50. What happens? Damn, it fills stuff like, see, this is nice. Then we have fill color with camera. So it will replace the color that I put and then I'll be visible. Wait, I should pick white. Yeah, this is better. I am at least visible right now. Stop filling with camera. Okay, it stops. So that's all we have. Thank you for watching.